Alam mo kung may paputok?
So you have Filipino blood? You have Filipino?
Dito ako pinaanak. If you're in Tanza, get some food from Trey Boppies here. Oh, ano to?
Japanese.
Japanese?
Japanese
Pork, chicken. And the colors are so much better on this. Crazy. And now they're going back to see if there's fireworks tonight. It was a failure last night. Today is the 28th? 27. Look at this. It says 28.
At bukas na po, kuya.
Hindi ako magpapapatok mamaya. Ako yung magpapapatok mamaya. Wala.
Ano, you're gonna raise your arms? Yeah. Hopefully there's fireworks, guys, so I can fly the drone. Yeah. There's a lot of traffic here, so it might be a sign that people are going to the bayan to see the fireworks. Ala. Damn, that sucks. Back again. No, nothing, huh? You want to be in the vlog? Okay, there you go. There you go. Let's just walk around. Tanong natin. Bad news again, guys. Looks like there's gonna be no fireworks for the video. We suck at life, me and Onald. Alam mo kung may paputok sa gabi? Firework?
Ewan ko lang po ba?
Sa Araw ng Tanza ngayon, di ba? Last year may paputok at yung mga toro.
Hindi lang po alam.
Okay. Baka wala. Sa tingin mo, wala?
Wala kasi. Baka mamaya meron eh.
Mamaya meron? Maybe? Okay.
Yun no? Pasok
There you go. Alam nyo kung may fireworks? Mamaya? Firework. May event, walang firework? Wala. Okay. Anong event?
Anniversary.
May ano dyan? Magsasayaw yung mga ano dyan.
May sasayaw?
Araw ng Tanza.
Okay. Yeah. Kahapon may parada.
Umaga, kanina din.
Kanina din, meron.
Umaga lang. Wala na ngayong hapon.
We're trying to check out if there's a 6 p.m. Recognition. Okay, 6 p.m. Anong oras na? 5:52. Okay.
Sir, malaking orasan sa simbahan. Bell Tower.
Doon.
Anong pangalan sa vlog?
Ito.
Meron ako.
Oh no, I have a sticker. Oh, you have a sticker? No, I got some.
Oo nga, ito nga.
You took some?
No, hindi Alam mo na saan to?
KJ?
Nasa search mo?
Oh shit! You check it. Ito sa YouTube. Ito Instagram. Ito YouTube. Pangalan mo?
Balong.
Balong? Rex. Yeah. Rex. Yeah. Let's see.
Bye-bye, Ben.
Excuse me. Alam niyo kung may fireworks mamaya?
Walang fireworks sabi, wala nang mga ano.
Oh, they don't do that anymore?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
There's
Yeah.
location.
Ulang...
Yes, so there's no fireworks.
Akala ko araw ng Tanza.
It's finished. Ano ba yung...
Hindi, yung sign, right there.
It's yesterday.
It's February 28. No, nakita ko yung parada.
Yeah.
Hapon. Yeah.
There's no fireworks.
Okay. Yeah.
Kau nga po maayos.
Ikaw nga, wala yung mga...
Yeah.
Amerikano yan.
Yeah, so I'm not from here. You guys, what's your guys' name?
Another.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm taking a video. Yeah.
Eh, kung nga kaya yan.
Yeah. This is my YouTube channel.
They say, what's that?
If you guys have Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram too.
Okay, I can follow it now.
Yeah. Ikaw kuya, gusto mo? Ha?
Play.
It's recording. Yeah. What was your guys' names?
Where you from?
Pangalan nyo? California.
California, so you just vacation here.
Yeah, bakasyon lang. Yeah, hindi masyado ang magaling ang Tagalog ko.
So you have Filipino blood? You have Filipino?
Yeah, dito ako pinaanak. Lumipat ako sa... Yeah. I'm Caviteño. Lumipat ako...
Your family, is it here?
Meron. Sa Hulugan.
So Hulugan, I live here.
Oh, you live where? Hulugan 1.
Hulugan na. I'm in house call.
House call?
Division.
Oh, okay. Sa Hulugan, ano?
6.
Hulugan 6? Okay.
Where do you stay here? In Hulugan 1?
Hulugan 1 sa tabing ilog. Malapit sa Bangkarohan.
Bangkarohan. So you can speak Filipino or Tagalog?
Yeah, konti lang, hindi masyado. Yeah. Yeah, no. Yeah.
What are you doing here? We're just vlogging.
Yes. Kasi gusto kong para ko may fireworks. Gusto kong
Fireworks?
I wanted to fly my drone around the fireworks.
Sayang.
Yeah.
I don't have fireworks here.
No fireworks.
Hapon ba meron? Wala.
Hapon lang, meron.
Yeah.
Hapon meron.
Nang
Firework dito.
hindi, nandito ako kagabi.
Ay,
Wala.
you can speak Tagalog.
Yeah, sinabi ko hindi masyadong magaling eh. Hindi naiintindihan mo ang Tagalog ko.
Sa Tagalog. Siya kanina.
Oh my God. What's your guys' names? Anong pangalan nyo?
Ocean.
Ocean?
Yeah.
Like Pacific Ocean?
ID. So I have a proof.
Oh, okay.
It's Ocean.
Oh. Okay. Nice meeting you.
Meeting you.
Oh, your name?
Black sleeve.
Black sleeve?
Black sleeve.
Black sleeve?
Black sleeve.
It's not Laxley. Laxley. And your name?
I'm Rosa.
Rosa? Nice meeting you. And she's ignoring me. No.
Trisha, nice to meet
Trisha?
you. Welcome in the Philippines.
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Bukit ako, di mo ako nakakamayan.
Anong mo kuya? Pangalan mo?
Albiban pa.
Alvin? Okay. Well, that's kuya Alvin.
Bye.
Yeah, there you go, bye.
We're going now.
You guys are going? Okay. All right.
Nice to meet you. Bye. Nice to meet you.
Damn, no fireworks, guys. But I found some pretty girls. Wala.
Wala daw.
Yeah.
Wala talaga.
Yeah. Malas tayo.
Malas.
Yeah. Ano to? What?
Yes.
Ano yan?
Please. Dos tres dati.
Dos tres.
Dos tres?
Ang gala, dos tres.
Hindi na. At
Ngayon, mahal na ngayon. Kala ba yun, boss?
345.
Ba, na ba eh? Oh?
Dynamite, boss. Dynamite.
Elementos. There's a pork. Pork.
Baka.
Nag-vlog kayo.
Liver, liver.
Hmm?
Nag-vlog kayo. Single.
Basta liver.
Single ako? Yeah.
Single. Vlog.
Single vlog.
Date mo ba?
Date. Picture. Like no.
Unsigned.
Yeah.
Guys, guys.
Okay. I don't know what this is, but what is it? What's it called?
Bupis.
Bopis?
Hindi. Oo, parang ano.
Bupis. Liver.
Oh, sarap. Try this one.
Taba.
Ito yung taba. That's good for me.
Baka.
Taba ng baka.
Lited. Lited.
Plated.
Isa.
Good, I like it. Yung taba.
Taba. So yung taba.
Keto friendly. Ito, ano yan? Cheese corn? Cheese corn? That's good.
Special.
Sir, blood, sir. Blood.
Pork blood? Oh, okay.
Only 3.
What's that? Blood is good. I like pork blood. Sa dinuguan.
Okay.
Ano pangalan ng tindahan? Pangalan?
Ray Bopis.
Trey Bopis?
Yes.
Okay. If you're in Tanza, get some food from Trey Bopis here.
Yes.
Right next to St. Augustine Church.
Dating Dynamite.
Okay. Oh, dynamite.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. Gulaman. Shomai. Oh yeah, it is shomai. Shomai. Thank you. Pwede makita? Ah, okay. Eto, ano to? Japanese?
Japanese pork.
Pork? Chicken? Beef? Okay. Japanese.
Ito, pork shrimp wala.
Pork and shrimp? Okay. Hold on. I'll try dalawang pork.
Laklaman.
At isang gulaman.
Smells good.
Salamat kuya.
Bawang. Sili. Oh, yan.
Diyan doon na namin pagbayad ang minok na.
Anong pangalan ng tindahan?
Siomay. Indian siomay.
Indian Shomai? Okay. Alright, here you go. Get some Shomai here. Pretty good. Pretty cheap. This is 35 pesos.
Malamig. Hindi na masyado. Okay lang yan.
Yung buo.
Buka? Okay.
Ito ang buko. 20 o 10? Malit malaki. Malit lang.
Maliit.
Ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumaseryo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babae,
Chilling here with my new friends.
pala naman ang iyong anak na
Eating good food. Oh, so yun na yung change.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. This is buko juice, coconut water.
at pinagpala naman ang
It looks really good. I'm really thirsty.
Aba, Ginoong Maria, napupuno ka ng grasya. Ang Panginoong Diyos
thank you, thank you.
ay sumasa iyo. Bukod kang
Masarap.
pinagpala sa babaeng lahat, at pinagpala naman ang iyong
Magkano po?
20 lang, sir.
Here, here's 50. Sa'yo na yan.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
sa Ama, at sa Anak,
Thank you.
Espiritu Santo, kapala
Punta mo to.
There you go.
Bakit
o
wala?
Diyos ko, patawarin
2 nights in a row. Malas. Oh, shit. Ito pala. Baka, I think so. Walang paputok.
Wala.
Ay, pakpak. Mga pakpak.
Pupagpakin mo na. Pupagpakin mo na.
Here. There you go. Excuse me.
Oh my God, you're famous! You're famous!
Gin juice na lang?
Ha?
Gin juice?
Ba ikaw? Ano gusto mo? Sa'yo.
Gin juice. Yeah. Ano yung the first one?
Wait. Dalandan.
Dalandan.
Ilan? One set lang? Or the one set?
This is one bote ng gin. Just make it 4.
Oh, yun ang bibiro.
Just in case. Yeah.
Masarap. Meron na.
Gin juice again. Hell yeah.
280.
280. At saka yellow. Kung meron kayong like yellow? Yeah. Okay. That too. Oh, now it's getting the ice for the gin juice. Dalawang yellow. Yellow?
Yellow.
Yellow orange? Yellow orange?
Yellow.
330.
Thank you. Is it really cold? Ayos lang.
Ito ko na ako nang bahala dyan. Wala naman. Lugi.
Kasi walang ibig na yun eh.
Meron daw.